In this video, I'll show you how to create a channel in Slack. Don't worry if you're new to Slack, just follow along with me. Now, after logging in, you'll see your workspaces. If you have more than one workspace, take a moment and select the one where you want to create your new channel. Once you're inside the workspace, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll find the sidebar section there. This is where your channels and workspace options are located, near the channels section. Now, to create a channel, look toward the left side of the screen and click on the three-dot More option. A menu will open, and from there, click on Create a Channel. A small pop-up window will appear on the screen. Here, enter a name for your channel, and then click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see two choices. You can create either a public channel or a private channel. For this example, I'll select the public channel option. Next, you can choose to add people from your existing workspace into the channel. You can also invite specific people by entering their email addresses if needed. Once everything is ready, click the Done button. And that's it. Your new channel will now be created, and you can find it on the left side of the screen under the Channels section. You can now use the channel to communicate with members, share updates, discuss topics, and keep conversations organized. And that is how you can create a channel in Slack. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.